To turn on your device, it could be your laptop, a tablet, a desktop, or a smartphone. Let's start with turning on a laptop. On most laptops, the power button is located at the top right or left of the keyboard. The power button is usually marked by a symbol, a circle with a line going halfway through it. Press for a few seconds until the laptop comes on. To turn on the desktop, press the power button, which is usually located at the different locations on the computer. That is, the button with the universal power symbol, and then turn on your CPU. To turn on a smartphone, press and hold the power button. This is usually located on the side or top of the device until the screen lights up and the device powers on. Some smartphones may require you to press and hold a combination of buttons, such as the power button and the volume up button to turn on. To turn on a tablet, press and hold the power button, typically located on the side or top edge of the tablet, until the screen turns on and the device starts up. Like smartphones, some tablets might require a combination of buttons to be pressed and held to power on, depending on the make and model. Once the device is powered on, you'll see the manufacturer's logo, followed by the home screen or lock screen, depending on whether the device requires unlocking. From there, you can navigate through the user interface to access apps, settings, and other features. You just learned how to turn on your device. Now it's time to learn how to turn it off. On your computer, if you're using a Windows, click on the Start icon. If you've done this, you'll see a power icon. Click on it. Then select Shutdown from the Power Options menu. For Mac, click on the Apple menu on the top left corner, then select Shutdown from the drop-down menu. For smartphones, press and hold the power button until you see the Power Options menu. Depending on the device and operating system, you may need to select Power Off or a similar option from the menu. Confirm the action if prompted, and the device will shut down. For tablets, like smartphones, press and hold the power button until the Power Options menu appears. Select Power Off or a similar options from the menu. Confirm the action if prompted, and the tablet will power down. Now that you've learned how to turn on and turn off your device, always make sure to properly shut down your devices to avoid potential data loss or damage to the operating system. It's good to know you're learning. See you in the next class.